Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to move from this image, which is a very simple image with background, to an image without background and with a white outline. It's completely for free and it's very easy to do. This image is available on my Etsy shop as a bundle, so don't forget to check it out. You can also find there all digital planners and stickers, digital stickers, printables, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's go. I am using Canva free, so I don't have the pro version, as you can see. And I am going to just pick one of these images, for example, this iPhone. Originally, as you can see, it doesn't have a background and it doesn't have an outline. And we are going to do that completely for free. So I will just put my image in here. I'll put this a little bit larger so you can see properly. It's centered. So the first step is I have my image selected. I will press Edit Image. I will go to Shadows, Glow. Now, as you can see a very faint shadow, a black shadow, but I don't want that, so I will press again on Glow, and now we can change that. So blur, I will put it to 0, because if there's a lot of blur you can see the difference, so we don't want that. Transparency, I want 100% because I want it to be not transparent at all. See the difference? So I will change it to 100, and then I can change the size, and in here you are going to change the size of your outline. So how thick do you want your outline to be? So I will just leave it as it is for the purpose of this video, but I don't want it black, so I'm going to change the color. And in here you can change to any color you want, but I want white. Now, because I already have a white background here, you can't see the outline. So if I press here on the background, it's selected. Now I can change the color here. And I'll change, I don't know, for this green or red. I'll change for the green, because like this we can see very well the outline. I will just make our image a bit bigger. Now I am going to save this image. Now, because I am using the free version, the file type here, it won't matter that much, because only with the pro version you can have the transparent background, which is not the case. So we are going to do an extra step. For now I'm just going to download this image to my desktop, and now we are going to open this website. It's called Remove BG, so you can upload your image in here. So our image, I'm going to just drop it, and it's going to remove the background automatically. And bang, as you can see, it removed the background, so you can see the original image is here. And I didn't have to do anything but upload the image to the website, and the background is automatically removed. You can download your image, you can download as an HD as well, and there's other things that you can do in this website. If I press edit here, you can change the background completely. If you have other projects that you want to play with, you can just press on one of these backgrounds and it will change, and you have a lot to choose. As you can see, this can be very funny for some pictures that you have. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!